Hello friends, welcome to an educational video in the field of electricity. In this video, we want to wire this electrical panel. Stay with me and learn about the detail of wiring. In the first step, we install the ducts in its place. In the next step, we install the rails in its place. Now we install the components inside the electrical panel. In this electrical panel, we use a 3-phase RCCB switch as the main switch that supplies the electricity to the entire electrical panel. This switchboard has a phase controller relay that prevents the electric motor from becoming two-phased. It also has a temperature thermostat that controls the heating elements. In this electrical panel, we use 4 single-phase miniature switches, 2 of which are removed from the electrical panel. 1 of them are used for the control circuit, and 1 of them is used for the single-phase socket that is installed in the electrical panel. This electrical panel has 3 3-phase contactor outputs, so we installed 3 contactors. The output needs a current controller, which we install under the contactors. It also has a direct 3-phase output that we install. In this step, we install the input and output terminals. First, we install the 3-phase and null input terminals. Then we install single-phase and 3-phase output terminals. These 2 terminals are for the temperature sensor. If you don't know the wiring of this equipment, and you don't know this equipment, please click on the link above to see the complete video of the wiring of all the equipment. The first three-phase output first enters these two miniature switches and then exit the electrical panel. Now we start the wiring. First, we connect the phases and null wires from the input terminals to the input of the RCCB switch. You can download the wiring diagram from the video description. Each contactor and each miniature switch need three phases. The phase controller also needs three phases, which we connect all of them in order at this stage. This is for the first phase. And this is for the second phase. And this is for the third phase. Now we connect the three-phase outputs to the three-phase output terminals. To connect the three-phase outputs, we first pass the wires through the whole of the current controllers and then connect them to the output terminals. All single-phase outputs and all contactors and other equipment need a null wire, which must be connected to the null output of the RCCB switch. Now we connect the single phase outputs. This wire is for single phase socket. Now we connect the null wire to the coil of contactors and current controllers. Now we connect the output of the command switch to the pin 15 of the phase controller and pin 15 of the temperature control relay. On the door of the electrical panel, we have set 3 command switches that can be used to turn on the contactors and 3 signal lights, each of which is connected to the one phase. The input of this switch is connected to the pin 18 of the phase controller, and their output is connected to the current controller. The wiring is finished. If you like the video, please press the like and subscribe button. Goodbye.